Oh, this is not gonna end well. Whoa. Oh my God.
I want that. Where do I get that? Because we were downtown yesterday and I didn't.
They had to have had them at the Hot Leathers booth.
I didn't go there. I didn't go there. I should have went there.
Up. Go now.
No. Greg, we're screwed.
Take a bike.
Yeah, I guess. Don't leave me, Dave.
You're good.
I have quite the record.
I have quite the record.
Looking good. All right. Tyler Charbonneau on the hill from Enfield, New Hampshire.
Not that time, though, another time. Rich, so.
Last one. Last fucking one. Peace. This is the only one that says that. I'm not. I'm not. Ask.
I've never heard anyone else say it.
So many people say it.
I've only heard you say that.
So many people say it. There's a lot of people say
One
it.
person says it a lot of times. It's the same as like
A lot of people say it. A lot of people. Bike week is done. This week. Laconia is over.
I don't believe you at all.
Laconia is over, dude. This is the last one. I've heard it from a lot of people.
What is this talking about?
He says a lot of things.
Yeah.
The wares is sold.
Where's Hate's making money?
Yeah, it's done.
The whole thing?
Out of the ashes comes Worcester Bike Week. 2023.
Like a phoenix.
Like a phoenix, dude. This fucking place is done, dude. Laconia is done.
Dr. Laconia is out.
It's only Worcester. It's ever only been Worcester. Okay?
I do agree with that.
It's only ever been Worcester. All right?
It's only like a mere extension of Worcester Bike.
Yeah. Worcester forever. Worcester is paradise. The best riding in the country. The best landscapes in the country. The best
Crime rate?
crime rate in the country. The highest crime rate in the country. The nicest 2-lane roads you've ever been on in the country. The nicest people in the country. We have every single style of food. Every restaurant is a 5-star course meal. Every restaurant is good, and we have all of it.
Best grocery stores?
Market Basket.
Best Big Boy Meat Market.
Big Boy Meat Market.
Everyone has a limb.
Yeah. Everybody nods off in the streets. The best crackheads. Yeah, we're out there doing it. We're doing it. Laconia. Done.